everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a virtual desktop in Windows 11. First, what is a virtual desktop? A virtual desktop will let you create multiple separate workspaces on one PC, so you can organize your apps like one desktop for work and another for personal use. And before we start, make sure the task view icon is visible on your taskbar. This one. And if you don't see it, just right click on the taskbar and then just go to taskbar settings like this, and then just turn on the task view, this one. And after that, icon will appear on your taskbar like this. And then to create a new virtual desktop, just click on the task view icon like this, and then next just simply click on new desktop like this. And okay, now you can switch between desktop 2 and 1 like this, and keep your workspace clean and organized. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.